Welcome. Hope you have fun.
Hi guys, welcome to episode 2 of the SQL series. In this episode, like I promised, we're gonna make a table. So, if you haven't checked out my first episode of this series, go watch that, or I created a specific playlist for you guys that's available in my channel. And if you don't want to miss out any of my latest episodes, don't forget to subscribe. And if you thought this video was educational, please give the previous video and this video a like. Now, let's get started. Create table. So make sure you're selecting a table. Like I'm using a tutorial, my database right here. So if the name is bolded, that means you're using it. If it's not, then you're not using it. So let's say you want to specifically select a table, and I'm selecting SQL invoices. So I don't want to select that. I want to select this. One way to do it is double click on the name. Another way to do it is by using the if use condition. So use tutorial. And you could execute that and it's gonna work. Now let's create a table. Create table, the name of the table. Tutorial. I'm just gonna keep on naming everything tutorial. So now, enter the next side, enter the next line, and click on tab to create an indent. Now, I'm not sure how do you create an indent on Mac, but yeah, on Windows it's tab. I don't know if you have tab on Mac, but anyways. So, let's pretend I have a class. So we need a student name. Student name is gonna be text. So this here is gonna be the column name. This right here, the text is a data type. A data type is kind of like this. So let's say, let me make a comment. So this right here is text. This is text. It says test, but it's text. Now, this is an integer, aka a whole number, but MySQL doesn't have a whole number data type, so we just use int, stands for integer. 556, if I add a 0.56, that's a decimal. And you don't have to write int dot decimal. No, because that's going to give you a syntax error, as it doesn't have that data type. Instead, it's just decimal. So this is the data type. Comma. So if you want to add more lines, say this is the column name. That's the data type. You have to have a comma to add the next data type and the column name. Comma, enter. So next, let's say A student grade. Student grade. Student grade is a number. It's like grade 4 or grade 5 or grade 2. Kindergarten. Okay. So if it's K, we just had to write 0. So int, aka integer. That's the int data type. Now, enough about the stuff. We actually need to ask them to pay our school, the tutorial school. I just named it that because I don't know. So, school fee is decimal, and bus fee can be null, if you want, and finish it off with a bracket. So this is called the create table syntax. Yeah. So, oh wait, I almost forgot. What if they need to call their parents? So parent phone hashtag. Yeah, hashtag. So since you see the hashtag is blue if you don't put it in these, we really need that stuff. So let's say we want to limit it. Like phone number is 10 characters. But what if a phone number is like this? Plus 91, that's the code for India. Oh, plus 91 uh 45495 let's say 5 3 3 4 9 6. I'm not sure if that's 10 digits. No, that's not. Yep, now that's 10 digits. But what if it's like a US number or a Canada number? It has to be this. It has to be like this. Yep. So that's at least like 20 characters. So we could type out char, uh, let's say 25 characters. And then close it up with a bracket. So I think it's backticks. Yeah, it's backticks for MySQL. It's something else for other stuff. But if you want parent underscore phone hashtag, it's backticks. It's the key under SK, aka ESC. Now you could run the script. Hold on. So we had to have the output window open. So as you can see, green tick means it was successful. So nice. So let's actually show our table. To show our table, select. Oh. So I might have to do the select statements next video, but in the next video we're gonna cover the select statement. So because I can't do it right now, and the insert statement. So for now, bye.
All links in the description. Shout out to Programming with Mosh.